Well, it's been a fantastic week for my DRP, my daily routine planner. It's been amazing. Done really well this week. I prayed more, prayed for friends more, I've studied more, I've fasted. Really good. Practiced the keyboards. Been studying the Zoom R16. Need to read more pages of this manual though. Study my music production. Some handwriting practice there. But the spiritual part has been better. Been a lot better. I'm really pleased with that. You know, I'm getting there. Lots of dones though in different areas that I haven't done before. I'm really pleased. Well done, Nigel. Who else is going to motivate me if I don't motivate myself? Don't push myself. These are my prayer points. What's up there? A bit personal, but you know, we've all got our personal prayer list, haven't we? So anyway, go back to this now. Yeah, done pretty good. I mean, that's my 7 verses for the week. I meditate on one each day, which is here, daily Bible verse. I've done that, but they're quite easy. Haven't done too bad at all, thank God. This week I want that to be full. I need it to be full so I can progress. Okay, this is NiGel Burnett from the UK. Have a fantastic week and day.